understand clearly because that's the simple function. So there is another way to create a function which give parameters or arguments, whatever you can say. So we write that functions with parameters or arguments. Okay, now let's create our def. Okay, first of all, add. Now here we are giving some parameters. You can write the direct numbers or you can write the variable also. Suppose we are giving x and y. So z is equal to x plus y print z. So when you call the function like this, you definitely have to give two parameters or variables. If you don't give, then your program will be not run. Like we can run this program and take the error. That what is okay? That is very important to read, understand the types of errors. There are many types of error. In the future video, with your able assistance, I will also tell you that half of the, not half of the, but some of the percentage of the coding art skill is to uh, debugging. Yes, debugging is a very important skill you should have. Any programmer and coder should have to master that skill to debug the program and understand to master it. Debugging is very important, and believe me, if you master it and if you get uh, uh, get whatever you said, that if you get the mastery in that, so coding is in all your fingertips. Okay, so we will try to give him argument. So if I give one 9, okay, and the other one is 10. Okay. Now we will run and see what, and because here if we minus it, and I will show you what it will print, it will minus. So because 9 minus 10 is obviously 9. You can also do that, give it 1, okay, and so y is equal to 12, okay. Okay, so if you give one argument here and run it, so you can see that it will calculate automatically. So x is 9 and y is minus 12, and after subtracting we will get minus 3. Okay. In the same way, okay, you can also use the return command, return z, okay, return z, but for this you have to print it, print a. So it will the same it, and you can see the result is same. So if you have any query and any uh, problem regarding this topic, you can write. This is function. More you do, more you gain. So keep trying, keep practicing, use your mind, use your creativity. So I will show you here some string also, because I am using only uh, the integers only. So okay. So in here you can see the example of f string. So it's a double tagger for you. You are learning the same. So you have to call this function. Okay, let's see. Then what will yes you? What will the answer? Yes, you are right. tab is 20 years old. Yes, definitely. So this is the simple function you can this is. So in the next video we will more go forward, and I will tell you about the function command. So thank you. Keep stay tuned with me in the next video.